In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass in Please Donate on Roblox. First, head to the Roblox website and click the Create button at the top. If it redirects you somewhere else, just type create.roblox.com in your browser's address bar and press enter to access the creator dashboard. From there, go to Creations, make sure Experiences is selected, and open your default place. Once inside, go to the left-hand menu. Click on the Monetization tab and select Passes. Click Create a Pass, upload an image, make sure it follows Roblox's guidelines, and add a name and description that looks appealing to donors. Then click Create Pass. After it's created, select the pass. Go to the Sales tab, toggle on Item for Sale, and set your price. Keep in mind, Roblox takes a 30% cut, so if you set it to 5 Robux, you'll earn 4. Click Save Changes, and you're all set. To see it live, return to roblox.com, launch the Please Donate game, claim a stand, and you'll see your game pass appear. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.